Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video all about LABUBU. So I've unboxed a few LABUBU in my shorts. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. But I've gotten a few questions. People want to know, like, what's the allure? What's all the hype about LABUBU? And also the biggest question is how to get your hands on a LABUBU of your very own. So I want to break that down in this video. So here I am at Pop Mart. I guess that's the best way to start. LABUBU is exclusively sold at Pop Mart. And basically these are little charms or little toys, if you will, that are made after characters designed by a Chinese artist. And Pop Mart actually bought the licensing for these LABUBUs, and they started producing them and selling them in a blind box concept. A blind box concept is actually super fun because basically what it is, when you purchase something, you are not sure which exact color you're purchasing. So basically LABUBUs, you can get them in two main collections. There's the Have a Seat collection as well as the Exciting Macarons collection. I actually have an unboxing later on in this video from both collections for you to check out. So definitely stay tuned to that. But basically when you buy one of the LABUBUs, you don't know which color's in it. So it's pretty much like a guessing game, and it's fun to kind of collect and see if you get the color you want. Also, there's a really big allure behind the secret LABUBU, which is what's the most coveted by everyone. But that one is very rare and really hard to find. So the secret LABUBU is one, you have a 1 in 72 chance of getting the secret. So that's also part of it. So here I am at the Pop Mart shop. I just picked up my order. So that's what I want to get into. How do you get these LABUBUs? So basically, you go to Pop Mart's website and you can purchase from their website a few different ways. There's the purchase online for pickup in store, which is what I did here. This is how I scored my first LABUBUs. It became available in a store that was nearby, so I was able to order online and then pick up in store. Also, you can order directly online should they become available. However, when they do become available online, they sell out immediately. So honestly, what I've been doing, or when I started looking to purchase, I just kept the window up for the store. Look at these guys. These are the, what is it, the Lazy Yoga collection of the LABUBUs. These are figurines. Actually, they're not like my like larger macarons or the Have a Seat collection, but those are like small figurines. Here is an example of those figurines. Super cute, but these are definitely more toys versus the others, and I'll explain the difference in a little bit. But going back to how you can get them, so purchasing online is the way to go. What you do is you constantly have to refresh the site. So I just leave the browser open, whether it's on your computer or your phone, and refresh throughout the day. Surprisingly, they become available online, but like I said, you have to be super quick to add to cart and check out. If you don't have a Pop Mart account already, I suggest making one in advance, having all your information in there. So when you do add something to cart, your checkout will be super fast. Because once something becomes available in cart, when you're buying it during a release, you do have like a 15-minute window where it's reserved, but I've actually gotten timed out on that, not even within the 15 minutes, like within a minute or two. So I'm not sure how reliable that is. I would suggest just check out immediately. So on the site, you can do the shop online for delivery, like to be shipped to you, or the Pop Now. There's also Pop Now, which is basically where certain items become available. The LABUBUs do come available here too, and you can actually guess. It kind of narrows down which one you're getting. So that's like a fun game you play online before you purchase. But I would say the best options are the refreshing to pick up in store or the refreshing to buy online for shipping. And so, yeah, I went from really not even knowing about LABUBUs to being able to like get one in less than a week doing that. So it is pretty tedious, guys. You have to continue to check the site because literally the moment they come online, they're sold out in under a minute. It's wild. So here I am unboxing my LABUBUs. You would have seen these same ones in the shorts I posted. But what's cool is, like I said, it's like a game. So here I'm picking like which one I would like to get inside. And I just got super lucky because the one I wanted the most and in the order I got it is in the order I opened it. So that was just super cool. So this one is my first exciting macaron, and that is my favorite collection of the LABUBUs. I like these. I prefer these to the Have the Seat collection. And the first one you just saw me unbox was the Have a Seat. So this was the first one I wanted. And I believe this one is Sesame Bean. And it just happened to be the first one I got. So that was super fun. So like I said, it's almost as if like a little game too as you're shopping, which makes it fun. But again, what are the lure? How did these get so popular? What the hype is about these? So I know there was this K-pop artist, and I believe she was like, she kind of expressed her love for LABUBUs, and she used them as accessories, like on handbags or, you know, collectibles, right? Because Pop Mart sells toys and collectibles. But I personally am not a toy collector, or I'm not really into collectibles at all. But I do look at LABUBUs for me as more of a fashion accessory. I use them as bag charms. If you guys saw, I posted a video or a photo where I had the other LABUBU that I'm about to unbox hooked on my Louis Vuitton Speedy, and that's the more of the vibe for me. It's definitely more like fashion accessory. So guys, yeah, that's about it for LABUBU as far as what they are and how to get one. There are some other things to look out for. There are definitely a lot of counterfeit LABUBUs out there. That's why it's important to know they're only sold at Pop Mart, and Pop Mart has like this black light authenticity stamp on the bottom of the LABUBU's paw. Also, the box has an authenticity code in the corner where you can scratch off and put it in their website to confirm its authenticity. So also just beware of that if you're buying, you know, from a reseller or something, that these are counterfeit. They're super really hot and hard to get right now. But I hope this video was helpful, guys. Definitely let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Let me know if you have a LABUBU. If so, which one did you get? And happy shopping, guys. Till next time.